Yo, what is good, guys? And we're back with another video. Like you can see in the title, we have an emo girl, bro, and we're gonna be interviewing her. And yeah, let's get right to it. Shasha.
Yo, what's up?
Okay, we're gonna start with a couple of questions. You feel me? Okay, the first question is, what made you become emo?
That's not really a question you can answer, really. I just really like black.
You just really like black. Okay, that's crazy.
It looks better on me.
Okay, this is a question you know from who? What is your daily experience? What do people treat you differently because you're emo?
Let's just say sometimes at school they'll bark at you. They will physically bark down the hallway.
Okay, this is like a hard question. Do
Oh
you,
no.
Shasha, believe in Satan?
I believe in him, yes, but I don't worship him.
Okay.
I believe he's real.
Okay, you believe he's real, but you don't worship him.
No.
Okay. Next question. Do you think I should go emo?
If you would like to, I wouldn't say it's a bad idea.
Like,
You're just gonna have to stay out of the sun for a while, you know? Look a little bit more pale on the white side.
okay, I'll do that. Like, if I go emo, like, do I also have to do like the black around the eyes and stuff?
No. Emo is just basically the way you dress. It doesn't have to be makeup or anything.
Okay, like,
some guys prefer guyliner though, just like a little bit black under the eyes.
Okay, so but my hair must be black.
No, it doesn't have to be black. It can be pink, blue, purple, bleached. It doesn't matter.
Okay. Okay, next
I can just
question.
imagine Pandak's next video is just became an emo for a week.
Yeah, that's actually a part of the next question. Like, when you come to us, like, do you think we should do a emo stream? Like, when I'm emo, you emo, and both of our friends also emo.
Absolutely, I would love to turn you into a full stereotypical emo.
Okay.
I'll even put a wig on you and everything.
Maybe I'll turn permanently emo after that. You never know. Okay.
Maybe.
Okay,
to be continued.
Okay, then the next question. Do you, Shasha, do satanic rituals?
No, absolutely not.
Not at all.
Not at all.
You sure?
100%.
Okay.
The worst I've done is manifesting type of stuff where you just like think it and then it just becomes basically.
Okay. Okay. Next question is like a little bit dark.
No.
Do you feel like you're connected to the evil side because you're emo?
No. No, I do not. No, I do not.
Okay, can we get an outfit check?
Okay, not really. I'm not gonna stand up right now. The best you can get is like the nice like lace top we got on.
Okay.
The nice lace top.
Okay.
We got the necklace. We got the black star earrings.
No, that's fire.
We got the eyebrow slit on the one side. It's low key faded over, but like it works. It's temporary, but it works.
That's cool. Wait. Let me just. Okay, this is a question from you. You know who?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Do you get more attention from men being emo?
Yes.
Like, can you elaborate? Like, what do they do? Like,
I think in the last week I've been catcalled like minimum 10 times compared to when I used to just wear regular hoodies and sweatpants.
okay. So,
Yeah.
would you say you are harder being normal or being emo?
I feel I look better when I try to dress half emo.
Half
Not
emo.
fully.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Fully
valid.
is only for special events or like special situations like one of these.
Okay. Okay, do you like when you're at school, like, is your friends all also emo, or like are you the only one?
Not all of them are emo, no. A couple of them dress in an emo-ish style, but it's not really counted as that. A lot of them dress Y2K, preppy, like wannabe hot girl type of vibes.
Okay.
Some of them dress like they're working at a strip club.
What?
So
That's crazy.
yeah.
That's crazy. Okay,
Yeah. At that point they shouldn't have clothes on at that point.
What did you just say?
Nothing. Proceed.
We're rolling. Okay, so the next question is like, do you like people or just like two or three? Like, do you
Very few people I like. I'm just nice to people. Other than that, though, but I have like tiers, you know.
Okay.
Like you get tier 1, you get S tier, like you get different levels.
Okay. Do you overthink everything or just the important stuff?
Sometimes everything, sometimes just important things.
Okay.
It all depends.
Okay.
With that day, you know, whether I'm happy or not.
What kind of weather matches your mood?
Probably like sunny weather with like cold wind, you know.
Okay.
Like not too happy, but like we're at a level. Like you know when it's not too hot and not too cold, it's like just lekker, yeah.
Okay. Do you prefer quiet conversations or just sitting alone in silence?
I like conversations. I don't like sitting alone in silence. I feel alone.
Okay, what's your favorite emo song?
Honestly, Panda, yo. It's one of the typical ones. Cause no, I won't be. Honestly.
Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you.
Honestly, it's more of a variation.
Okay.
Like I like a lot of Hayden Henderson songs, like his new release "Freak for You." That's a really nice song. And then I like Sleep Token's music as well.
Okay.
So yeah.
And
It's not that bad.
no, I feel like this is a crazy interview.
It honestly is.
Yeah.
Okay, we're actually gonna do a little bit of an adjustment here because my camera's looking up. Okay.
Yeah, you appear also better now. Okay, so guys, like, you've met Shasha, the emo girl. we got her in a video. Like we're gonna fly her out like soon, like the end of May. You'll see her in July on the streams. Probably not here, but like at my friend's house, you'll see her. They will do a emo stream. Sasha, you say you're gonna turn me emo.
Yep, makeup, everything.
Oh my god.
I'll
Okay.
even cut some of my nails and make a wig for you.
No. That's we'll just buy a wig. We'll just buy a wig. We'll.
Yeah, one of those ones at the 10 rand wrinkle, man.
Okay.
Sorry, 5 rand one.
Okay. Yeah, we'll do that. But like, last question though. Are you sure you don't worship Satan?
I am 100% sure. I am 100% sure.
Okay. Are you like one of those girls that plays like with a Ouija board occasionally?
I tried that when I was younger. It did not work.
Okay. Yeah. We don't want no demons hunting us, but like, yeah.
No.
This was a fire interview. I'ma do the.
Thank you for having me on the interview.
Okay, I'ma do the exit. Okay, guys, like, and subscribe to the fucking channel, and I'll see y'all next time.
Awesome.
Alright, guys.